Hi viewers, I am feeling so thirsty. I am going to make falooda now. What about you? Can you also make falooda? I am sure all of you can make falooda. But we'll see how we can make it easily. Firstly, I need 1 cup water. 1 cup water we take, and I need 6 teaspoons of corn flour. And put all that together and slightly boil it. This is double boiling. This type of a pan, we can keep it on heat. This is something similar to a heat proof one. Now I need into this actually 6 teacups of water, and then the condensed milk. That is half a can of condensed milk. Now remember that. To give a little flavor and taste, actually condensed milk is enough, but still when you make falooda, I am sure all of you know, we need sugar also. So about 150 grams sugar. Now we have already diluted, made it. Now what I am going to do is, it's double boiling. We don't keep straight on heat. Finished. Now I need vanilla essence. Off the cooker, add vanilla essence. Off the cooker and add. Never add while it is on heat. Now this is ready. Now what am I going to do? Actually I am going to keep it to cool. The milk mixture is made, so we will keep it. Either you keep it for a day, morning you make and keep in the fridge for till evening, or 2-3 days per week you can keep, it won't get spoiled. So put it into a bottle and keep in the fridge. If and when you want to make the falooda, the milk mixture is ready. For the falooda, now we need the rose syrup. Either you can buy it or we can make it. Shall we make it? Now we add half a cup water, and we need 125 grams of sugar. Boil this. Boil this well. Now see the sugar syrup. It needn't be thread form, but about 3 to 4 times boiling. Now we will take this out. The sugar syrup is ready. After taking it off, I need rose essence. I told you that this rose syrup is with rose essence and a little red coloring. Now I get the flavor and the color. Let this be. Now we have kept this also. Now I am going to make the jelly. To make the jelly, this is China moss. This is the imported China moss, and you get the sea moss. You can see both the difference. This China moss is artificial. This is natural. This is healthy and this is not healthy. But if you are going to make with this, you can say is a sea moss. What you have to do is overnight soak it in water and lime juice. Then it becomes white the next day morning. Nicely wash it and use it like the way I am going to use this. Now 15 grams of the moss, and again I need about a cup of water. We will boil this. Moss jelly I have used, it has to dissolve, fully dissolve. Now I am going to strain this. Gelatin we have to keep it in the fridge. This you don't have to keep in the fridge. Now what I am going to do is putting it back into the bowl, and now I am going to use sugar to taste. 3 tablespoons of sugar I can use, and boil it again. This is something really nice, I would say. We are making the jelly for you and the rose syrup. What else? We have already done this for you so that you can see this also. It will be nice to color it in red. I thought I'll put almond essence for this. So now we will keep this for a while. After half an hour you can see, you don't have to keep in the fridge. The jelly is set. Can you see the jelly? Now I am going to make a mixture that is called something similar to vermicelli or a noodle mixture. We will see how it is done. First thing I am going to do here is 1, 2. I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 9 spoons water. Now this is the milk mixture that we are making. Make it like a thick paste. Now see, the paste is coming. It has to come like a glazed effect. It has to be shiny, glazed. Now I take this, keep it here. I am taking my old string up a mold. I kept a little ice water ready, ice water. And you squeeze into that. Once you squeeze it out into the ice water, keep that. Till we use, this can go back into the fridge. So all 4 things are ready. I am sure you are going to enjoy my version of this falooda. 1. A few jelly pieces can go into this. Goes in a teaspoon only. And if you like, it's called white kasakasa. This black kasakasa is used. It was just black in color. I put a little water and kept it so that it will be nice. This is my preparation of this falooda, which everyone will like, and I hope you will also enjoy preparing, make it, and you don't forget me when you are having this falooda. Thank you very much for watching.